Good day, I am Don Torres, and in this video, I will be setting up the Windows Server 2008, then setting up the password and the requirements, installing domain controller, and installing the DNS. So let's begin. First, we're going to make a new virtual machine, and in this virtual machine, we will name it Windows Server 2008. As we can see, it automatically sets itself. Then now we're going to pick our ISO file, which is the Windows Server 2008 64-bit. Then we'll proceed to setting up our Guest OS installation. Here we'll be entering our product key. Then we'll be writing our username and password. Let's see. Done. Hawks. Hawks. Specifying the virtual hardware. We'll be allocating it 2 gigabytes of RAM and then 2 cores. And then here we'll be setting it to 32 gigabyte for the hard disk space. Now after everything is done, we will be creating our virtual machine for Windows Server 2008. As you can see here, the Windows Server 2008 is starting. Here we'll simply wait for the procedure to finish. So here you can see the setup is starting. So we can see here now the Windows Server 2008 has started. Then from here on, we can assign our IP address for our Windows Server. Here is the initial configuration. Then we'll go on to configure our network. Select local area connection, then proceed to properties. Click the version for ICP IPv4, then properties. Just write 10. 0 to 15 255 dot 255 255. That will be our subnet mask. Then our default gateway will be 10.0.2.2. Then our preferred domain name system server would be 127.0.0.1 uh, 0, 1. Then our alternate DNS server will be 8.8.8.8, which is now click OK. As we can see, if we look here again, we have already set up our static IP for Windows Server 2008. Then close. Oh, but then now we will proceed to add roles. Here, from this we'll go next. Then we'll pick the what up, Active Directory Domain Services. What up, Active Directory Domain Services. Then we'll add the required features. Then next. Then next. Now we shall install our Active Directory domain services. After the installation, we could close this. Then to go there, from the start uh, of your Windows Server 2008, you can type the DC promo file, checking if then next, welcome to the Active Directory Domain Services installation wizard. Proceed to next, next. And here we'll start to create a new domain in a new forest. So let's say our domain would be test.com. Then here, instead of Windows Server 2003, we will pick the Windows Server 2008 R2. Then we will proceed. Examining DNS configuration. Now we just have to make sure in this part the DNS server is checked. For this, we'll just click yes, next. Then to set up a strong password, have to at least have a one uppercase letter, one number, and then one special character. All right, let's proceed. Then next, then we'll simply click reboot on completion. Now we'll have to wait. As you can see, it's now rebooting. Microsoft Corporation. Then after those, we are done. As you can see here in our configuration networking, we have our IP address. Then, then in our roles, we have the DNS server, Active Directory, domain services. Clicking on that. Then from here on, we can start shutting down our computer. Click shutdown. Simply leave a message. Goodbye. Then, okay. And from there, we are